Welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make chicken peri peri. It's tender, juicy and crunchy. Let's begin. Cut the chicken breast into long thin strips. Let's marinate the chicken first. Add ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder and peri peri mix. Mix all the chicken pieces and spices very well. Squeeze the lemon into it and mix it well. Refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours to allow flavors to develop. Once the chicken is refrigerated, add 1 egg white. Mix it well. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Take each chicken strip and dip nicely into breadcrumbs. Press and place it in another plate. Do the same with the rest of the chicken strips. Heat oil in a pan or a kadai. Once the oil is hot, add chicken strips one by one. Fry till golden brown and strain on a paper napkin. Enjoy tender, juicy and crunchy chicken strips. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.